Problems on bilinear transformation. First one, find the bilinear transformation which map the points z is equal to 1, I minus 1 into w is equal to 2, I, minus 2. Solution. Let w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d be the required bilinear transformation. First point, z is equal to 1, w is equal to 2. That implies 2 is equal to a into 1 plus b divided by c into 1 plus d. That is equal to, that implies a plus b is equal to 2c plus 2d. That implies a plus b minus 2c minus 2d is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 1. Second point, z is equal to I, w is equal to I. I is equal to a into I plus b divided by c into I plus d. That implies ai plus b is equal to c into I whole square plus di. That implies ai plus b is equal to I square is equal to minus 1 in the complex variable value. C into minus 1 plus di. Let us shift the RHS side to the LHS side. We get ai plus b minus c plus c minus di is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Next, last point, z is equal to minus 1, w is equal to 2. That implies minus 2 is equal to a into minus 1 plus b divided by c into minus 1 plus d. Next, cross multiply. Here that implies minus 2 into minus c minus 2d is equal to minus a plus b. That implies minus a plus b is equal to 2c minus 2d. That implies minus a plus b minus 2c plus 2d is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 3. Now, In the next, we have to solve the equation to find out the values of A, B, C, D. The next page. Yes, here adding equation 1 and 3. Adding equation 1 and 3. So what is equation 1? A plus B minus 2C minus 2D is equal to 0. Equation 3 is minus A plus B minus 2C plus is equal to 0. Minus A plus A minus 2D plus 2D will get cancelled. Remaining will be 2B minus 4C is equal to 0. That implies B minus 2C is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 4. Next, adding equation 2 with the equation 3, but equation 3 should be multiplied by I. Equation 2 is AI plus B plus C minus DI is equal to 0. Equation 3 is minus AI plus BI minus 2CI plus 2DI is equal to 0. Here minus AI plus AI will get cancelled. Here I will take B as a common term, so I will get 1 plus I. Again here I take C as a common term, 1 I. Here minus DI plus 2DI, we get plus DI is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 5. Next, equation 4 and equation 5 written in the form one B minus 2C plus D is equal to 0. Equation 5, 1 plus I into B plus 1 minus 2I into C plus I into D is equal to 0. Up by cross multiplication rule, A first term is B divided by determinant of, we have to write the coefficient of C and D, that is minus 2 here 0, 1 minus 2I here I, with sign we have to mention. Next alternate sign minus C, determinant of, here we have to see the coefficient of B and also the coefficient of D. 1 0 1 plus I that is equal to D divided by coefficient of B and coefficient of C, that is 1 minus 2 1 plus I 1 minus 2I. B divided by minus 2I is equal to minus C divided by I, that is equal to D divided by 1 minus 2I. When we are doing the determination, opposite sign, minus of minus 2, again minus 2I. So here minus into minus plus 2I minus 2I will get cancelled. B divided by minus 2I, that is equal to minus C divided by I, that is equal to D divided by 3 is equal to some constant. Minus of minus 2 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. That is equal to some constant. Next, we have to find out the BCD value. What we have to do here? B is equal to minus 2ik. C is equal to minus ik. D is equal to 3k. Substitute in equation 1 to find A. Equation 1 says that A plus B minus 2C minus 2D is equal to 0. Now we substitute A minus 2ik minus into minus plus 2ik minus 2 into 3k. So 2ik will get cancelled. A is equal to 6k. Therefore, is equal to A value is 6k z minus 2ik divided by minus ikz plus 3k. I take both in the numerator and the denominator k as a common term. 6z minus 2i divided by k into minus iz plus 3. Kk will get cancelled. W is equal to 6z minus 2i here divided by minus iz plus 3. This is the required bilinear transformation. In the same question, we have to find the invariant points of the transformation. So here when they will ask in invariant points of transformation or fixed points of transformation, we have to substitute W is equal to Z. So Z is equal to 6Z minus 2I divided by minus IZ plus 3. Cross multiply 6Z minus 2I is equal to minus IZ square plus 3Z. Shift the left side term to the right side. Minus I z square plus 3z minus 6z plus 2i is equal to 0. That implies minus iz square, 3z minus 6z is minus 3z plus 2i is equal to 0. This we have to carry out the simplification using the quadratic equation formula. Quadratic equation formula in general, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here our equation is minus z square minus 3z plus 2i is equal to 0. A is equal to minus I, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 2i. So in the place of x we have to write z, that is equal to minus of b value is minus 3 plus or minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 into minus I, C means 2i whole divided by 2 into minus I. 3 plus or minus 9. Here minus into minus plus I into I square. I square is minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So we get 4 to divided by minus 2i. So 3 plus or minus 1 divided by minus 2i. That is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by minus 2i, comma 3 minus 1 divided by minus 2i. So 4 divided by minus 2i, 2 divided by minus 2i. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 divided by minus I, 2 will get cancelled, 1 divided by minus I. For I here when 1 by I is there, multiply and divide by I. So I divided by I square. We all know I square value is minus 1. So it will become minus I. Here 2 divided by minus 1. In the place of 1 by I, write minus I, comma 1 divided by minus 1. Here minus I. That is equal to 2I, comma I are the invariant points. This solution. Next one. Find the bilinear transformation which maps z1 is equal to minus 1, z2 is equal to 0, z equal to 1 into w1 is equal to 0, w2 is equal to I, w3 is equal to 3I. Solution. Let w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d be the required bilinear transformation. Now, first point is z is equal to z1 is equal to minus 1, w1 is equal to 0. So here z is equal to z1 and w is equal to w1. So w value is 0. A into minus 1 plus b divided by c into minus 1 plus d. That implies minus a plus b is equal to 0. Call this as a equation 1. Next, z2 is equal to 0, w2 is equal to I. z2, w is equal to w2, I is equal to a into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus d. Here b 0 plus b is equal to 0 plus di. That implies b minus di is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 2. z3 is equal to 1, w3 is equal to 3I. That implies 3I is equal to a into 1 plus b divided by c into 1 plus d. That implies a plus b is equal to 3ci plus 3di. That implies a plus b minus 3ci minus 3di is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 3. Next, to find the ABCD value, subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. equation 1 is minus a plus b is equal to 0. Equation 2, a is not there, so I will write 0 plus b minus, no, we are doing minus, so minus b, again minus into minus plus di is equal to 0. So here b will get cancelled, remaining will be minus a plus di is equal to 0. Call this one as a equation 4. Now equation 2 and equation 4 written in the form equation 2 is b means 1 minus di is equal to 0. Equation 4 we have a plus don't have b, so I will write 0b. In the first equation here 0a plus di is equal to 0. Now using the cross multiplication rule, a divided by determinant of, for a these two column we have to see, only we have to write the coefficients. 1 minus I, again 0 I, alternate sign, minus b, determinant of, here a and d column, 0 minus I minus 1 I, that is equal to c divided by determinant of, here a column and b column, 0 1 minus 1 0. Now a divided by I minus b divided by minus into minus plus, opposite way we have to put simplification, minus I c divided by 1, that is equal to, sorry not c, here d divided by 1 is equal to k. A value is I into k, b value is I into k, d value is k. After finding a, b, d, we have to substitute in equation 3. Substitute in equation 3. What is our equation 3 here? A plus b minus 3ic minus 3id is equal to 0. Now substituting here, that implies ik plus ik minus 3ic minus 3ik is equal to 0. Minus 3ic minus 2ik minus 3ik is minus ik, that is equal to 0. Next, minus 3ic equal to ik. I just shifted minus ik to the right side. So I will get cancelled. C is equal to minus k divided by 3. Therefore, W is equal to A value is ik z plus B value is ik, C value minus k by 3 z plus D value is k. Now I take numerator ki as a common term, remaining z plus 1. In the denominator, I take k as a common term and also the LCM, minus z plus 3. So k will get cancelled. This 3 will move to the numerator. So we get z plus 1 divided by z minus z plus 3. Now, in the numerator, multiply by I. 3 into I, multiply and divide by I. Here into z plus 1. We all know that I square value is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 into z plus 1 divided by, here also I will take minus as a common, so z minus 3. So minus minus will get cancelled, remaining will be 3z plus 3 divided by iz minus 3I is the solution.